Hi guys, it's Mary. Look what came the other day. The Spellbinders Platinum Scout Lilac Shimmer. Look at how pretty the box alone is. So, if you haven't been following me very long, there's a few things that you need to know. One, purple is my favorite color. Lavender is part of purple. So the minute I saw this, I had to have it. Second, I love technology. I love machines. And third, everything that's on my channel that you see, I personally buy. I don't have sponsors. I have no affiliations or anything. So when I tell you, give you a review, it's my brutal honesty. So I am excited. So let's get into this. I pre-ordered this as soon as they announced it, and I was very excited when it came, but I didn't want to open it without being able to show you guys. So, oh, look. Okay. So we've got register, and you receive $5 off. We've got operating instructions. We've got little die. We've got an embossing folder. All the plates, the platforms. Not sure, little extra tools or something. I guess we'll figure that out. And there she is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at how tiny she is. She's so cute. She's got flowers there. She's got flowers there. She got flowers there. Oh, and there too. Look. She doesn't weigh much, and the way they've got these, the doors, there's a lip, so it's easy to put in your hand and hold. She's only, I think, 2 pounds something. Just a small baby. So she opens like that. Look at how cute that is. All right, so let's take a look at the book and see if there's anything that we need to know. It's a different plate system. So I've got the Big Shot Switch Plus, so that's just a platform and 2 plates. This is different. So it says what's included: platform base, the top, the B plate top, 2 C cutting plates, a D adapter plate, an E embossing mat, an F shim, information card, instruction manual. All right, so I think we just finished the setup already. Pull down the doors on both sides. When finished, fold the doors up. Clean, flat, dry surface. You're ready to go. All right. You can cut, emboss, stencil, deboss. And then the sandwiches, which I will have to get used to. So there's how to build a cutting die sandwich, how to emboss a cut shape, how to build a standard embossing folder, how to build a 3D embossing. So if we're going to cut, we need the A, the B, a C, paper, die, and another C. So A, B, and 2 C's. Okay. So let's open this up. I'm so excited. I think it's been like 4 or 6 weeks since I ordered this. I have a small machine, but I think it only has a 2-inch opening, and I believe this one has, sorry for the noise, a 3.5-inch opening. Let me see. Yeah, 3.5 inches. So, all right, so we've got this pretty embossing folder with flowers. We've got, it says for you, and it's got some flowers and leaves. So this is the shim. This is kind of this, this must be the material they make all their shims out of, because it feels just like the Better Press shims. Embossing mat. Adapter plate. Cutting plate. Another cutting plate. So we've got the 2 cutting plates. This is the platform. This is not a cutting surface. So it's nice that it has it all right there, so I don't have to keep referring to the book until I get it all figured out. So it's the cutting and the embossing. How to emboss a cut, and then how to build a standard embossing folder, and how to build a 3D folder sandwich. All right, so if we're going to just use the die, so we need the A, we need an A, we need a B, we need an A, we need a B, then we need a C. Oh, look at the plates are lavender too. So we need an A, B, and a C. And then we need paper. Let me grab a little thing of paper. Okay, so, all right, so then we need the paper, and then we need the die. Let's use the little die that it came with. If I can get it out. There we go. Let's do the for you with the little flowers. All right. I hate that it's going to make a mark. All right. And then the cutting plate on top, right? A, B, C, paper, cutting die, cutting plate, another C. All right. All right, here we go. All right. All All right. And there we go for you. That's a perfect cut. There we go. All right, so my first impression is that it's a little tight to turn. I'm having an elbow problem on my left side, so when I hold it, it hurts this elbow a little bit, but that's a temporary thing. It wasn't hard to turn, as hard as some of the little ones that I've got. So let's try the embossing folder. Let's see how that goes through. So with the embossing folder, we need standard embossing. All right, so we need the A and the B, and then just one C. Let me know in comments if you've pre-ordered the Scout, and what color did you get it in. I've heard that if you well, it's white and it's lavender through Spellbinders, and I think if you buy it at a store, you know, a brick and mortar store, it's blue. And then somebody told me the other day that there'll be a pink one for scrapbook.com. So whether that's true or not, I don't know. Okay, so we've got our A and our B. Then we need to put this in. And then we need to put a C in. So let's see. It has some nice feet, so it doesn't move around. All right, why is this not going in? Nope, that's not going in. So maybe this is a 3D. It doesn't specify, but let us see. Maybe it is. So it says for a 3D to use just the A, the embossing folder, and the adapter plate. So let's see if that works. All right. Adapter plate, embossing folder. Okay. All right, so let's try it this way, because there was no way that was going to go in. Okay, yeah, this one's going in without a problem. But there is resistance, so this should be working. We shall find out. Oh, yeah. Very pretty. Look at that detail. Look at that detail. That's gorgeous. Very nice. All right, so now we know 3D. Oh, maybe it didn't say, but the number says E3D 087, so my bad. All right, so we've cut and we've embossed. That was easy to go through. It was smooth, and the impression is even on both, all the way through. So, all right, so that's it. I am so excited. I will be using this whenever I can, so I can get, you know, a full review. Oh, look at how cute it has its little name inside. But so far so good. I'm happy, and the handle's nice and easy. Like I said, it doesn't weigh, and it has a nice little grip. So it'll be easy for me to move it over to my main part of my desk. So, all right, so let me know if you purchased the Scout. They also have the big Spellbinders in the lavender right now too, but I already have two large. I have the big shot switch, and then I have the I think it's Bria, but it's close to my heart, but it's the same as Gina K's Intricate, so I have those. So, all right, so that's it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got one, or you're waiting for one, or you're planning on getting one. I will, in a few weeks, I'll do a quick re-review and let you know how it's been going with it. So far so good. All right, so if you are a subscriber, thank you so much. If you'd like to subscribe and you haven't yet, you can hit that subscribe button. Once you do that, you can also hit the notification bell, and it will let you know when there's new videos to watch. Also, the thumbs up is the like button, and that's when you hit that, it lets YouTube know that the video is worth watching, and then they do the whole thing with their algorithms, so, which is important to them. So, and then there's the share button. Makes it easy if you want to share it with a friend. So, all right, so that's it for this time. So until next time, stay safe, stay well. Oh, and if you have any questions, let me know. And if I don't have the answer, I will certainly find the answer for you. So back to stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.